With all of our types of succulents pages, which you can get to by going to typesofsucculents.com, and that will take you to this page, and then you can just pick whatever succulent you're interested in learning more about. So when you click on the page, it will give you a quick look at all of the information about the succulent. So if it needs full sun, if you can grow it indoors, how much water it needs, size, what zone or temperature it can grow in, and this is the minimum temperature, and then whether it's cold hardy and can tolerate 4 seasons, if it propagates in certain ways, if it is toxic or poisonous, and then when it's actively growing. And then of course there's links where you can buy it through our affiliate links if you are interested. But what I really wanted to show you is these ID cards that we have for each succulent. So with any of the succulents on that previous page, when you click on it, you'll be able to see this section. And by simply putting in your email address, you can access a card that you can download, or there's also a link to purchase them. So I'm going to go ahead and put my email in and click the button, and then right here I just click that button and it'll open up a PDF file that has that quick look information and then the just a few little notes about this succulent. So the idea here is that these can be printed off. They're sized to be 4 by 6, so you can print them front and back on a card, or you could print them off individually and put them side by side in like a little photo book. And you can print them at home. You can upload the files to your favorite photo print site, whatever you'd like to do, or you can just simply download it to your computer. So I can go ahead and save this right there, and then it will open up in the downloads folder. So, and that just opens up the same PDF file. So then you would just go to File and Print, and choose your printer, change the paper size to be 4 inches by 6 inches, and I actually don't even know how to do that on my printer, which is so fun. Right here, page setup. So size it to 4 by 6, click OK, and then just you can have it do actual size, and then it'll print it. And unless you have a borderless printer, it will cut off a little bit, but we've allowed room for that, and then you can see what the second page would look like. So you can print them off that way, and just I'd recommend using a photo paper, or if you're going to do it back to back, I love using a double-sided matte photo paper, and I'll include some links below the video where you can purchase some that I like to use. And then you can go ahead and just click print. Or you can also just store these on your phone. You can keep them in your downloads if you're on an Android and just put them all in a folder. You can import them into iBooks if you're on an iPhone or iPad. So you can save them a lot of different ways. Now you also have the option, as I mentioned before, to purchase all of the ID cards, and there's about 50 varieties right now and counting. We actually need to update this page because we're adding about 2 every week, so there's going to be a lot of them. And if you buy the set, you'll get all updates to the cards as well. So anything that comes out in the future, you will have access to. So if you do make the purchase, what it will look like is you'll get an email that says your Succulents and Sunshine order, and then it'll have a link right here to where you can download a gigantic PDF with all of the types of succulents. So it's just all of these back to back. So I'll go ahead and click that and show you what it looks like. So we start here. So it looks like we've got 45 right now, and then more coming every week. And then just the picture and the information about it. And if you ever get confused, right here at the bottom, it'll give you like a little quick reference. So this is for Irene. This is the ghost plant, and then the ghost information. So this is a really great resource. If you do want to keep them all on your phone or on a tablet or just on your computer, I would recommend downloading this option. However, if you want to print them, you can click on this Types of Succulents JPEGs, and this is a zip folder, so you'll have to extract everything from it. And then once that is complete, oh, well, there it was. But you'll see the folder, and it has all of the cards just all right there. So you can print just the ones that you want. But this will constantly be updating. So make sure that you save this email or mark it somehow so that you don't lose that. So you always have the downloads. And then, of course, if you bought the ebook upgrade or bundle with it, those links will show there as well. And again, you would just click on those. They'll download to your downloads folder or wherever downloads are stored on your phone. And then you'll have access to the ebooks as well. So that's just a little overview of how to access all of the different types of succulents cards, as we call them, or ID cards. And again, you can print them. You can upload these to something like FedEx Kinko's or to any website like that, and we can provide some links below in the description of places that we recommend printing. Shutterfly, that's where I was trying to think of. Anyway, but anywhere you can print photos, or if you want to print them off at your house, you can absolutely do that as well. But they're just a great resource to have so that you can see, you could group these by what types of succulents you own or have in your collection. You could bundle them by ones that you want to buy or want to add to your collection, ones that you should never grow again because they tend to die or they don't grow well in your area. Whatever works for you. But go ahead and you can just enter your email address in and click to download those, or again purchase the full set where you'll have access to the giant PDF and then also the individual JPEG files that can be printed as photos as well.